Hi, my name is Myrto and I'm an education technology specialist at NUITEQ. Today I want to show you how to attach a video to a lesson that you have created. So here you see that I have prepared a lesson about how to count from 1 to 5. If I want to attach a video to my lesson, I go to Lesson Information. And here you see that you have a field, Link a video. And maybe you want to paste a URL that you already have. And in that case, you do that here. But maybe you want to search for a video. If you press on the search button, then you can type in your search words. And in this case, it's count 1 to 5. So then it searches for videos that might be relevant to what you're working with. So let's say that we want this video. Seems like a fun video to have. But what if your video is 30 minutes long and you only want to show a small part of it? You can do that by setting a start point, minutes and seconds. So let's say that we want our video to start at 10 seconds. And we want it to end after 10 seconds. So let's set the end point to 20 seconds. We want our video to show before the lesson starts, to play automatically, maybe. So then we set it to yes. And once we've done that, it's all set. Just press play to test it. So you see that the video starts playing at 10 seconds and then it'll stop automatically at 20 seconds. So this is how you create a video linked lesson.